Hi friends, I wanted a new vase for my roses, but somehow I ended up with two in one. At first it's a simple round vase and then it changes into this. I actually love how that turned out. I'm still deciding which one is my favorite. It is actually a really simple build. You just stack as many 2x2 bricks as you have. And here is how I built it. You can use any colors you like, but I repeated my by 2 to get that nice swirl effect. The trick is the more bricks you use, the bigger the vase gets. This is how many bricks I was able to find. I just went through my collection, looking in drawers, any 2x2 bricks I was able to find. And then you just stack your bricks in a circle and repeat until you run out of bricks. It's as simple as that. First two rows are a bit tricky, but once you've done those, the rest is very easy. As you can see, it actually comes together really quickly. This vase really works well with the larger bouquets. I built this specifically for my roses, but you can use any flowers you have. You could fit quite a lot of flowers in here. And because it's so colorful, it will work nicely with any flowers you have. So I keep stacking the bricks and repeating the colors to get that swirl effect. Only a few bricks to go and it's done. It's like a little puzzle. You just keep putting pieces together, but this one is easy. You don't even have to look for the pieces. You just follow the color pattern. And just like that, a few minutes later, it's ready. This vase is quite a solid build. You can easily roll it on a table and it will still be in one piece. This is perfect for a bit larger and heavier flowers. It won't break apart. Alright, let's add roses. I love Lego roses. They are so beautiful and I think they deserve a special vase. This is the round vase version, but to get to the oval, you just need to do this. Firstly, remove the roses and then gently squeeze it until it becomes oval. It looks like that. And that's it, it's ready. And if you want to turn it back into the circle, you just have to squeeze the sides. You are probably wondering how many bricks are here. I can tell you it's 304. It does sound quite a lot, doesn't it? And you also probably are thinking, where can you get that many bricks? I can tell you, these all come from mainly a Lego Classic sets. I think I prefer this version of vase. It just looks really nice with roses. How about you? Which one do you prefer? Let me know your thoughts in comments. It's one of those pieces that just brightens up the space, and I think it would look nice in any room. I will be back soon with something new.